this edition of FFS Pro Quick Tips, we're going to review the installation of the 120 ohm resistor into our TPI connection, or turbine pump interface connection. You will install the resistor in the turbine pump interface connection if you have 4 or more STP-SC1s, STP-SC3s, or any combination of 4 or more of the SC1 or SC3 controllers. This resistor, 120 ohm resistor, will be installed in our TPI interface to the console right below here in our communications portion of the console. All right, our next step will be to remove our TPI clip from the bottom of our Evo Series console, just slowly pulling it out. We're leaving our 3 TPI wires in there. So you can see here we've got ground, positive, and negative. So we want to put our 120 ohm resistor between the positive and the negative right at the end with the wires. So what we'll do, we'll take our screwdriver and we'll slightly loosen our connection, both those wires. And we're going to slide our 120 ohm resistor right in there with them, like so. We want to make sure we get our wires tightened back up. Pull it, make sure it's in snug. Then we're going to reestablish our connection to our Evo Series console. And now confirm normal operation and communication lights on your controllers and proper operation of your submersible turbines.